In today's video, we're going to take another look at a trade in JNJ. Okay, now this original setup occurred, believe it or not, in November. This is where we had found quite a bit of symmetry support on the weekly chart, and we knew that if it held and gave you a buy trigger, it was worth looking at for a trade. Now we did end up seeing a rally, but it didn't go to the full target. The typical target that I look for is the 1272 of the swing into the zone. So we never met that target at 146, though we did see a nice little rally. So what do you do with that information? Well, the original setup is still valid. And within that context, I have a new support decision that we can look at without a ridiculous amount of risk. And if it does continue to play out, then we have potential to see not only a target off of this smaller swing, but also a target off of this original low, which means that original target of 146.46. So this is the way I'm looking at it right now. We did have a pullback into some symmetry support that came from these prior swings. There's also a 1618 extension of this low to this high, and then there was also a 786 retracement of this swing. It did trigger on the long side, and like I said, if we continue to hold above this low, here are the initial upside targets. When am I wrong? Well, if it breaks this support, then I am wrong on that setup and would need to GTFO.